So, we fix things, repair them, do maintenance. I did something stupid yesterday and ran out of fuel in a diesel, 7.3. Not a good thing to do. Had to reprime my bowl, and the seal actually ripped. So today we're going to change that out and get that all so it's not leaking fuel. Oh, guys, not one thing, it's another. But today, I've got to change out the fuel filter on a 7.3 diesel because this work failed. So I actually ran out of fuel. I was trying to gauge my capacity because I've got a 57-gallon tank on my rear or my front, and I've got a stock rear tank which is only 30 gallons. So fuel gauges are a little bit different. So on the 7.3, which is a great engine, I swear it's a great engine. So I'm going to get up into here, and let's bring the camera up so you guys can see what I'm working with. And I know my channel's got a bunch of different stuff on it, and it's always something interesting, as Richard from Dave Beer Review would say. Well, we do fix stuff here. I never get my. I might actually have to fix my this old school aluminum tripod that I used to use for my cameras. So in these, I'm a bit cold. It's a bit cold out here tonight, or it's about 30 degrees with wind chill. Not happy. So there's a seal down here. There's a seal down here. This seal has actually failed on that one. So I'm actually losing fuel. Well, quickest way to do these is get a long wrench. And this one I know this fits because I've done this before. And it's about 5th or 6th fuel filter I've done on this one. As long as you change these things fairly regularly, your diesel will run fine. You don't want to over crush them. I think that's what happened on this one. So we'll go ahead and pull that out. I'm probably going to have to do my relay again. I'm going to have to test that. We'll do that in an upcoming video. And so yeah, this is definitely leaking. So just so you can see, as that fuel drains out, this is the seal thickness, and this is after it's been used. So what we're going to do is we'll go ahead, and you can actually see the formation in there. We're going to put a little bit of diesel in there. That'll just help it seal. But I want you to look at the difference in the filters, and this is after about 10,000 miles. And it's pretty much the same filter. I don't know where that piece is, but it's the same filter. So go ahead and put that back on. No. That seal needs to go all the way up. We don't want to pinch the seal as we're installing it. That's the nice thing about these factories. And you really don't want to over tighten it. So I do about 15 pounds. And so that's basically 15 pounds. this small muscle, that's 15. And that's it. We have a brand new fuel filter. That's the old one. That goes in the garbage after it dries out. So this should be good for another 10,000, 15, 20, 30,000 miles. Depends on my fuel.